Hi students, and welcome to week 11 in online general psychology, and also happy November. It's crazy to think it is already November and soon we will be talking the end of the semester. So you're doing a great job. Keep up the great work. This week we will cover chapter 10, which is on motivation and emotion. And what I like about this chapter, I feel like I say this all the time, but this is such applicable to your lives. I think one of the big things that tends to wax and wane as a college student is motivation. And so, as you explore the theoretical aspects of motivation this week, I hope that you will apply that to your own life. And if not towards your education, then other aspects of your life, really thinking about, are your rewards intrinsic or are they being controlled extrinsically? And really looking and thinking about the models of motivation that are presented in this chapter. The second part of the chapter covers emotion. And so you'll have an opportunity to learn about human emotion. You'll learn about universal human emotion, what part of the brain controls our emotion, and other elements of emotion around regulation and, deciphering other people's emotion and so forth. So I really hope you enjoy this week's chapter and learning all about motivation and emotion. So you have a couple things here in the module. The PowerPoint for chapter 10 is here. The narrated PowerPoint for chapter 10 is right here. You have a Connect assignment on motivation, and then of course your chapter 10 post-test. So compared to some of the other weeks, it's a pretty light week in terms of content or assignments. There's no discussion question. So I hope that you enjoy learning this week. I also just want to mention, yes, we are skipping chapter 9. So last week we were in chapter 8. This week we are in chapter 10. You didn't miss something. By design, I'm skipping chapter 9 for now. So have a great week. If you have any questions or there's anything I can help you with, don't hesitate to reach out to me.